yesterday. So there was a protector on it so that I could protect the bag. The bag is made out of paper. So I'm gonna open it. It comes in a box, as do all Gucci products now. They all come in a box, or they've always come in a box. I don't know. So it's my first Gucci. I'm very excited. Yeah, so this is the box. Comes like this. And it'll come like in a dust bag. Okay, so it comes like this. This is the Gucci Supreme Mini Dionysus. Yeah. Wrapped up and comes like this. Protection here. The clasp is down here. Take that off. In here you will find a patchwork. A Gucci patchwork. Like patch piece, whatever. And it's white. And then, yeah, for like some stuff I guess. Yeah. Yeah, so that was the first flap. As you can see, the inside of that is the same color suede as this part, as these two parts. The larger compartment would have a tissue paper in it, and it'll have identification cards. Alright, so this is the inside. And I'm like super speeding through this because I really hate when YouTubers just like rant on and on about garbage. So yeah, this is the bag. It smells like leather. Like when you take it out, automatically it smells like leather. Alright, so this is all suede. And from another video, they said that this suede, it's like the fibers of the hair are so small that stains are hard to attract, not hard to like stick on or something. Yeah, so on top of an unboxing video, I also want to do like, I want to compare, because initially I ordered this bag. This bag is a counterfeit. I ordered this on eBay just because I did not plan on spending so much money before. So I wanted to get the bag pre-loved. So yeah, so this is total counterfeit, but you really cannot tell. You really, like, if you put it side by side, like, flaws might start showing in this one, like this one. It's just so weird. Okay, yeah, but you can see that this G is a little more, it's a little darker. Yeah, it's a little darker in terms of the color of the font, but it's supposed to be like, you know, like lighter brown. But like you can, I guess the red is like, you know, this part here, it's a little smaller. The snake heads are kind of the same. This one might be a little shinier. Yeah. Alright, so in the counterfeit one, you guys have to be careful, because I thought it was authentic at first. So I was just like, oh, you know, it's real, but it smells funny. It smells funny, but I thought, like, you know, that's just the way that the customer smells. But yeah, so the flaps are the same, exact same. You see this part? I thought it was like a flaw, but it's not. It's not a flaw. Let me show you. So, well, this one is a little, you know, a little more. But yeah, it's like this part is the same. Like here, it doesn't open all the way. So yeah, it's the same. Okay, and so what came in this bag was, it also came with some items that are like, you see the insides. You see it? Yeah. So the insides are the exact same. So the identification code, the ID code, oh my god, it would be down here, this black thing, this black tag. Right. Yeah, so and you would see like this one is like leather, it's straight leather as well, whereas this one, it does look like leather, it does, but I think it's a little bigger. This thing is a little bigger. Yeah, it's a little bigger. This one is a little bigger, so beware of that. But it also had like the tag as well, but it's freaking fake. But yeah, so this is fake. Alright, going on to the identification, to the cards inside. So this is the authentic one. It comes with the responsibility card, I guess, and like how to take care of it, and like a little of Gucci's background. So there will be two. Alright, and this is the real important part here, the Concholato card. Like, you see how tiny it is, and like, I don't know if you can see it, but that's an O. Alright, that's an O. See, oh no, that's an N. That's an N. So Concholato. It's supposed to say Concholato, okay? Basically, and it'll have these numbers, and it's inside the middle of in the larger compartment. Whereas for the counterfeit, it came with this thing inside. They cut off the tag, and it came with, I don't know what the heck is this. Why would they give that? But yeah, it came with, this is their Concholato card. It has an M, and that's when I started getting suspicious. I was just like, what is this? And yeah, and then it also had like some Chinese letters and some code thing. And this is their responsibility card. Yeah, total fake. Total fake. Like, really? Did you, like, what the heck? It's not even the same. Like, yeah, so that was really a huge disappointment, but then it worked out good because I bought my first Gucci in store, and yeah, and so this was a little thing to show you guys that even though it says pre-owned on eBay and like authentic or whatever, you have to be careful, because this one was super fake, but it's like you would not be able to tell unless you had touched it and everything. But yeah, fake, super fake, but I get to return it, and I'm completely content about that, and I'll get my money back whenever. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. It's not a traveling vlog, but there's gonna be a lot of traveling vlogs coming soon, and I have a huge trip coming soon as well. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully this is one of many unboxing videos, because I am a slave to luxury brands. So yeah, stay tuned, and I hope to see you again, or I hope you see me again. Yeah.